Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the PayPal username. If you don't know how to find your username in the PayPal app, then this tutorial is for you. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the PayPal app on your home screen. Now open it. Then tap onto the profile icon at the top right corner. And finally, here you can find the PayPal username. So this is how you can find the username of your PayPal. And that's it. This is how you can find the username of the PayPal account. And from the personal information, you can also find the emails and other things of yourself. Now continue sending and receiving money by the PayPal account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.